Good morning, all of you. In last period, we have seen about the blood. What is blood? Blood is a liquid connective tissue. I have told you three components of circulatory system: blood, heart, and blood vessels. उसमें से हमने complete किया है blood. Blood is a liquid connective tissue. You know very well. There are two main components which are plasma and blood cell. 55% plasma and 45% blood cell. We have seen the composition of plasma as well as blood cells. So this is a straw color fluid that contain organic and inorganic constituents including water, minerals, hormones, enzymes, urea, nitrogenous waste. These are the different components are found in the plasma. You have seen in detail in last period. Also you have seen about the blood cell. Blood cells mainly three types: RBC, WBC, and platelets. You have seen in detail each and every cell, that is RBC, then you have seen WBC and its different types: granulocyte and agranulocytes, basophil, neutrophils, acidophils, lymphocyte and monocyte. In last you have seen thrombocytes. You have seen in last period. Today we have to discuss about heart, pumping organ heart. It is another main component of circulatory system. Heart, it is pumping muscular organ, somewhat reddish in color, reddish brown in color. Its size one fist. Or weight of heart is near about in female 250 grams and in male near about 300 grams. This heart anteriorly broad and posteriorly narrow, that is a conical. Where it is located? It is located in mid-ventral of thoracic cavity. In between two lungs, that space called as a mediastinum. What is called? Mediastinum. Heart is located in between two lungs. Slightly inclined to the left side. It is protected by thoracic cage. This thoracic cage made up of sternum, thoracic rib and backbone. It gives a protection, no doubt, that by thoracic cage as well as protected by muscles of chest and backbone. What I say? Heart is a muscular reddish brown color, is a muscular organ, it is pumping organ. Human heart is a four chamber, no doubt, we see in detail later. Four chamber, where it is located? In mid-ventral of thoracic cavity, inclined to the left side. It is present between two lungs, that called as a mediastinum, that you have to remember, mediastinum. Its size one fist, anteriorly broader, the upper end is a broader, lower end is a conical. I have been also told it is externally protected by thoracic cage, muscle of chest and backbone. In addition to this, itself protected by heart wall and pericardium. Heart wall and pericardium. What is pericardium? Pericardium is a double membranous structure. It is a double membranous structure. Outer fibrous pericardium made up by the fibrous connective tissue. It is followed on serous pericardium. आपको ध्यान में रखना है, fibrous pericardium, then serous pericardium. This serous pericardium made up by two layers. Outer parietal layer of serous pericardium, inner visceral layer of pericardium. You have to differentiate serous pericardium into two layers. Outer parietal layer of serous pericardium, inner visceral layer of serous pericardium made up by the simple squamous epithelial cells. In between these two layers, there is a space, there is a cavity. This cavity called as a pericardial space or pericardial cavity. This cavity filled with a pericardial fluid, which also acts as a shock absorber. Shock not easily reaches to the chamber of heart. Got my point? पहले क्या बताया मैंने आपको? Fibrous pericardium is outer layer. It is followed on serous pericardium, but serous pericardium differentiated into two layers: parietal layer and visceral layer. Parietal layer of serous pericardium, visceral layer of serous pericardium. इसमें एक कैविटी है, स्पेस है, उसे बोलते हैं पेरिकार्डियल स्पेस दैट फिल्ड विद पेरिकार्डियल ट्यूब. दिस इज अबाउट द पेरिकार्डियम. नाउ wall of heart, it is also very important. Wall of heart is made up by the three layers. Outer epicardium made up by the squamous epithelial cells. Is outer layer. Middle is the myocardium. That myocardium made up by the cardiac muscle. This cardiac muscle is capable for undergoes contraction and relaxation. Now see this diagram on page number 168 please. I have shown no doubt but not clear each and everything. For your convenience you see the page number 168 wall and pericardium of the heart. So this middle layer, that is myocardium, it is made up of cardiac muscle which is capable for contraction and relaxation of heart. Contraction called as a systole, relaxation called as a diastole, that is responsible for pumping of heart, beats of heart, right? That cardiac cycle completed with the help of the cardiac muscle. That capable for undergoes a contraction and relaxation. It is followed on inner layer, that is called as the endocardium. It is also made up by the squamous epithelial cell. So what you have to write here about the pericardium? Pericardium में आपको क्या लिखना है? Fibrous pericardium, serous pericardium. Fibrous pericardium is the outer membrane. Serous pericardium is a middle inner membrane that can be differentiated into parietal layer of serous pericardium and visceral layer of serous pericardium. इस दो लेयर में क्या है? स्पेस है. That space is called as a pericardial space that filled with the pericardial fluid. It is followed on wall of heart that is differentiated into three layers: epicardium, myocardium and endocardium. Epicardium is outer layer, myocardium is the middle layer, endocardium is the inner layer which followed on the chamber of heart. Myocardium made up by squamous epithelial, epicardium made up by the squamous epithelium, myocardium made up by the cardiac muscle. Is a special type of muscle which doing work continuously from birth to death, undergoes a contraction and relaxation that will be responsible for beating of heart, working of heart, pumping of heart. And inner layer, that is the endocardium. Got my point? What I said, what is the position of heart in the human body? It is located in mid-ventral of thoracic cavity, inclined to the left side due to the larger size of left ventricle. It will be protected by thoracic cage, muscles of chest, backbone, ribs, etc. So its size is one fist. Upper end is broader, lower end is narrow. Human heart is a four-chamber, two auricles and two ventricles. It is a pumping organ. It is a second component of circulatory system. First component, blood. Second component, heart. Third component is a blood vessels. So anteriorly broad, posteriorly is a narrow. That you have to remember. What is the size? What about the weight of heart? That near about in male 300 grams, in female 250 grams. That you have to remember. And their wall of heart and pericardium. Wall is outer layer. Wall and pericardium. Pericardium is a outer layer. Sorry. Pericardium differentiated into fibrous and serous pericardium. Wall differentiated into epicardium, myocardium and endocardium. Got my point? Yes.